All right, I'm gonna pull a full pass on this log. It's had to be shaved. It's 36 across right there. It's not super wide down here. There's some rot in it. I'm hoping that this 3-inch pass gets me past most of it. This end could probably be dealt with because some of the rivet table guys like Carl Hackinson, you know, they like crap like that. He might actually like that flitch right there, but I'm hoping that gets me most of the way. There's a little teeny rot section coming out of the end of that top part of the crotch there, and it 3 inches takes me right to the bottom of it, and I want to mill 3-inch slabs anyway, so get you guys in a good spot here. And it's going to be kind of funky going on the log. You know, here, I'm going to put you down for a second. Let me try this side real quick. No, won't work. Could work there. Yeah, I'm going to try to go from the low side. Let me just check it. I'll put you guys down right here real quick. Problem is to get your setup started level, you need to use the center bar where my handle is, right here where my hand is. So when you come onto the log, you can gauge by whether this center support is sitting flat or not if you're going in flat. And I don't, because of the rot and stuff, I don't have a good reference point. See how you don't want to come in like that, because then you'd be making slabs like this. So you either use the ladder. I'm trying to find a way around it right now. I think that's steady enough right there, but it's going to be hard because what's going to want to happen is the saw is going to want to pull me over. And it's tippy this way. So I'm going to try it from the back side. So leave you guys there for a second until I get the saw in the wood, and then I'll check you, make sure you're looking at me. Actually, I'll check you right now, so I don't want you to miss anything. Just kind of get that ladder out of the way. All right, that looks all right. See if I can get you more level. Oops. Seeing a little bit too much ground there. All right, that looks all right. Let's see if we're gonna hold on to it like that. Try it. wasn't sure. It's tough not having that reference face. When you come off the log this way, you gotta have the flat surface on something too, so you can put down pressure on the back so it goes straight off and so it doesn't dip off and cause a curve too. So that's what I was fighting with there at the end. Just trying to hold it over so I could do that. Hoping these things are going to be salvageable. You kind of got to treat them like they're worth $200 or $300 a slab, so you don't want to go about it all willy-nilly. Beautiful. Let's check them out here. You can see is shadow off it. Real good color through that crotch. You see how much trouble I had coming on because I didn't fit. So I had to come on this side with the tip till the tip got past so that I could get past that corner over there. It'd be easier coming this way so that I could rock the saw out past it and then walk my way out. But yeah, pretty. It's beautiful color. You can see I still got some rot down here. And it looks like I'll get past it on the next slab, so I'm just gonna keep going at 3 inches. Because there's no, even if so this is like, let's just say 2.5 down. If I tried to just cut it right there, there's no guarantee that it doesn't go deeper there. So I'm just gonna cut another 3-inch slab off. These are pretty. Nice color. I got past the rod over there, which is nice. And yeah, like I said, I mean, the people that pour river tables will love that section right there. They can just pull the rod out and pour that with epoxy. Matter of fact, Christy, I bet you'll like these. Yamakowski, I bet you'll love this. Come get them. You take that one, and I'll make you a good deal. But like I said, you kind of got to treat these slabs like they're worth, if I get the clean wood, they're worth probably $300 a piece. If, with the rod in them, whatever you can get for them, you can get for them. Milled out pretty smooth. Those big slabs over there are worth $300 a piece easy. Those are 12 feet long and, over 30 wide on the widest parts. All cut at 10/4. These I'm cutting at 12/4 just because they're small and they're going to be table size. So, all right, yeah, let me get my glove off here so I can shut you guys off. And hope you have a great day. So far, that saw's idling a little bit better. We'll see.